Volunteers looking for a missing man. They spent hours searching parks, trails, and waterways in Denver, hoping to find 29-year-old Adam Gilbertson, a Denver hospice nurse who disappeared about a month ago. CBS 4's Melissa Garcia is live at a shopping center near Bannock and Alameda. Melissa, there's now an update on where Gilbertson was last spotted.
And Kathy, video just released from this surveillance camera here shows that Gilbertson walked past here heading northwest on the night that he went missing. Now, the South Platte River, about a mile over there that way, was the biggest focus of today's search. It's a search by many who are perfect strangers.
It's devastating.
Nicole Jenigas is one of 130 people who answered the call for help to find missing Minnesota native Adam Gilbertson.
We're Minnesota natives. So, of course, that, it's too close to home.
The 29-year-old hospice nurse who's called Denver home for 4 months vanished December 15th after a visit to this Denver night spot. His sister Amy says he's the youngest of 4 very close siblings.
He's our little brother, and so he wouldn't do this.
He wouldn't just take off. The volunteers split up into teams Saturday morning.
5 teams that are covering about 6 areas.
Looking for anything that could lead them to his whereabouts.
For me, there's nothing worse than not knowing where someone is or what happened to someone.
This mom and daughter didn't think twice about showing up.
I thought the more people, the better.
A drone got a digital view from above, while some walked the banks of the South Platte River, looking in water, among trees, and under bridges.
They're nicer jeans.
Denver native Mark Wonder gathered his company employees to organize the efforts.
The terrain of walking in through this is really rough. We're having to use human chains to get down to the river. We have found different camps, a lot of needles, a lot of feces.
Not a fun task, but one worth doing.
I just keep thinking, what if this were my brother? I would want people out there looking for him and doing everything that they could.
The Denver Police Department is actively investigating this as a missing persons case. Now, officials with DPD who we spoke with today were not able to tell us if they believe that foul play was a factor in Gilbertson's disappearance. We're live in Denver. Melissa Garcia covering Colorado First.